So from DSC 5 paper, the first topic we have is the Hound of the Baskervilles, and the important questions from this novel is the title of the Hound of the Baskervilles by Arthur Conan Doyle, the significance of the title, it is a very important one. Then we have the Hound of the Baskervilles as a detective fiction. You can go through the notes. You will get it from our group in our Telegram group. While writing about detective fiction, you must also write the characteristics and the various instances of the novel which are similar to the contemporary detective fictions. As you can see, the ending of the Hound of Baskervilles, comment on the ending. Then we have the narrative structure of the novel, how the author has shaped it, the key features of the structure, the use of the first person narration, gothic elements, epistolary elements, and then we have the major themes of the novel. I think Through the Looking Glass as a social satire is a very important question, and also we have the symbols employed by Lewis Carroll in Through the Looking Glass, the significance of the mirror world as well. Comment Lewis Carroll's Through the Looking Glass as a story of growing up. It is also a very important one. Then we have the combination of realism and fantasy in Through the Looking Glass. Describe the mirror world that Alice travels through in Lewis Carroll's Through the Looking Glass. Then we have describe some features of the fantasy world as found in Lewis Carroll's Through the Looking Glass. So you don't need to read everything, but you can at least just have a go through. And the most important one I think is as a social satire or the mirror world and the story of growing up. I think these three will be enough for this topic. And also the appropriateness of the title of Through the Looking Glass, that why a title is required in a novel, the purpose of the title, how is the title Through the Looking Glass appropriate, what are the major themes that are significant to the title, all these things. Then from Abol Tabol you can read that how Abol Tabol is much more than children's literature. It has a serious social relevance. Discuss with reference to any two poems. So it's a very important one. Then we have justify the title of Abol Tabol with reference to its contents, or comment on the title of any three poems of Abol Tabol. Then we have comment on the major features of nonsense rhyme with reference to Abol Tabol. It's also a very important one. From Tintin in Tibet, I think the theme of friendship is very important, that how this theme is being elaborated in the plot of Tintin in Tibet. Then you have the role played by Yeti in Tintin in Tibet, again a very important and must read one. Then we have the character of Tintin, analyzing the character of Tintin. And the final one you can go through is Tintin in Tibet as a tale of dangerous journey and as an adventure, elucidate. So I think that will be all for DSC 5 paper. You can get all the notes and for every paper in our group. Thank you.